If you have never tried spaghetti and beans porridge, grab a seat, sit down, let me take you through on how I made this delicious meal. Best combo you can think of. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is making sure that your beans is well soft. In cooking beans, in cooking anything like beans, make sure that is very soft. So take that aside and put an empty pan on fire. Introduce a red oil. You are going to use red oil in making this meal. Allow it to heat. Introduce your onions. Give that a quick stir and allow to fry a bit. Then the next thing to do is to add in your sweet pepper, which is the Scotch bonnet pepper. Add it in. Give that a good mix as well. Add in your Maggi seasoning. Add in your Maggi seasoning. Give that a good mix as well and allow to fry a bit. Then it's ready. You have to set it aside and put back the beans on fire. So the next thing you're going to do is to introduce the spaghetti into the beans. I introduce the spaghetti into the beans first because of how thickened you see. But when I added in the oil, it's loosened up. Make sure you add your spaghetti before you add the oil, the mixture, so that it could help it to loosen up when you are trying to mix together. Do you see how easy it is to mix because there is an oil in it? So give that a good mix. As you can see, there's no more water in the beans, so I added a little bit water. Do not add too much water in making this beans. So the next thing you are going to do is to go in with your crayfish, then go in with your seasoning cube again and taste to know if everything is all right. Then add in your stockfish if you are using stockfish, if you are using mackerel fish. If you are not using fish at all, you can also decide to use only crayfish. Then give that a good mix. Make sure you give that a good mix. Then if you've watched this video up to this extent, kindly click the subscribing button. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. So the next thing to do is to just cover this pot to simmer. Cover it to cook. Lower your gas. Now the beans and spaghetti porridge is ready. Guys, after eating this combo, you will drink water. You will drink water. Your belly will be full. You will be full almost the whole day. Whoever invented this spaghetti and beans porridge, like, the person need us to give him or her a hug, because this is the best food you can think of. So in making the food, and my friend came, we enjoyed together. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I know you're going to try it. You better try it and come and give me your review. You see that plantain and the beans you have at home, you can still make something out of it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for sticking by. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Okay, so now serve your beans and spaghetti porridge. Enjoy. Bye for watching.